Hello guys, Tech for Review channel presents new review. Today we will see full review and release date of Samsung Galaxy Note 9. We have seen plenty of rumors, renders and reports about Note 9, but today we have actual images of handset. And these images won't really surprise anyone who has been following all of the reports reported to the new flagship. Evan Blass, who is nearly spot on 100% of the time, and of course the image he leaked is fully consistent with all the previous solid leaks. We already know that there's not much to look forward to in the design department. It's kind of ironic to see that even with the sticker which reads, "No photo allowed," and "Do not leak info," the person went ahead and did it anyway. When such a leak comes around, it opens the floodgates for more damaging leaks in the days leading up to a new flagship's official unveiling, ruining any surprises that the maker of the device may have been planning. I am sure Samsung also just goes with the flow at this point, as all of its efforts to stem leaks around its flagship phones fail miserably every 6 months. With that being said, other than one noticeable aesthetic change, which is the repositioned fingerprint scanner, there is not any changes made to the device.Ans. Frankly, with the Galaxy S10 and the first foldable Galaxy phone due next year, no one should have been expecting Samsung to shake things up. We also have an official render of the device courtesy of Evan Blass and S-Pen is indeed yellow on the blue variant. But it has a blue end, so it won't look out of place when it's tucked inside the handset. Anyway, Samsung is due to unveil the Galaxy Note 9 on August 9th. The event is going to take place in New York City. We already know everything there's to know in regards to the hardware, but Samsung can still surprise us with the software, so looking forward to that. If you want to see that event, you can search on the Samsung.com on the release date. Now going back to image that is provided by Evan Blass, you will observe that Note 9 looks very similar to the Note 8 from the front, almost indistinguishable. However, when you look at the rear, you will see a horizontal bar that houses the the flash and the heart rate sensor. You can also see fingerprint option there. As we hear in rumors, there is no fingerprint built in the display. It was just a rumor. We have another interesting image that was leaked a few days ago, was Samsung chief DJCO actually using the Note 9. If you look at clearly, he is actually using the Note 9. If you zoom the picture, you will see that this image exactly match with the Note 9 provided by Evan Blass. Now at this point we are 100% sure that Note 9 looks like an it really seems to be a very exciting product. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will have 4000 mAh battery, a new and improved S-Pen with Bluetooth functionality, slightly upgraded cameras, as well as inheriting all the specs of the S9 Plus, including stereo speakers. So that was a quick update by Tech for Review for you guys. To stay updated, please subscribe our channel and also hit the like button. Thanks for watching.